Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Hello, today we are going to draw Indian flag. Let's get started. A small kid holding flag in his hand. First we'll draw kid. Draw one circle for his head, his hair, then his ears. After draw speck on his eyes. Draw his body, his hand, after draw his legs. Draw a flag stick in his hand. After draw a rectangular shape attached to stick. This we make flat. Now we add colors in it. Saffron color. Yellow color. After we'll draw Ashok chakra in the middle of the flag in blue color. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.